Welcome back to Automation 2050 channel. In today's video, I am going to cover about H2O.ai tutorial, that is H2O.ai, the demo which we are going to see from scratch till the downloading the predictions results. So the first step is like this demo covers the whole concept, that is the whole demo in H2O.ai. It is similar to like what we are doing in the machine learning algorithm. So we are taking the data, we are exploring the data, and we are seeing the data, the outlier of the data in the exploration. After that we are cleaning, and then at last we are doing the machine learning algorithm part, and then after that we are downloading the machine learning results, and then we are plotting that machine learning results either in the form of R or Python. So that is what we are doing. But Alteryx, RapidMiner, H2O.ai and other ML softwares, what they are doing is they are just taking the data. If you are going to import our data into that H2O.ai, what it will do, it will give you the prediction results as well as the prediction curves by using its own software. So that is what H2O.ai does. So many people don't know what is machine learning. For that I have actually inserted the my previous video in the description box below. So there are lots of things that H2O.ai is covering. So this is just a part 1 because like it has lots of like H2O.ai, AutoML, H2O.ai, there are lots of features in it. So like this is one of the demo, like the overall demo. So H2O.ai is an in-memory platform for distributed scalable machine learning, and it also uses like interfaces like R, Python, Scala, Java, JSON. So and works seamlessly with big data technologies like Hadoop and Spark, and it also providing some popular algorithms like GLM, XGBoost, Random Forest, Deep Neural Network, etc. So it's extensible so that the developers can also add data transformations and customize their algorithm based upon their choice. So there are driverless AI, and there are lots of things that now they are releasing it, and it's a company behind this open source ML product. So they are delivering all that machine learning accessible the machine learning algorithms, inbuilt machine learning algorithms, so that it will be accessible and allow the business users to extract insights from the data without needing any expertise in deployment or any tuning the machine learning algorithm. So if you are not heard about H2O.ai, you can go to H2O.ai, www.h2o.ai, and you can visit for further information. So you can actually there are lots of free libraries present in it. It's open source on which R and Python has many ML algorithms, model and tuning features that makes machine learning more efficient, and it's a pure open source distributed in-memory ML platform. So in this demo what we are seeing is that we can also for the data uploading, that is the first part. So we can upload the data either in the form of through CSV. We can upload the data by uploading the data through CSV or XLS or XLSX or TSV, or if you want to add some Google Sheet, you can directly add your Google Sheet. Apart from that, if you have data in your cloud, you can also add the data from your cloud like Amazon, Azure, etc. In this, I have a data in Kaggle. So they have the resource to attach the data from the Kaggle to H2O.ai. That is the main important feature. That is what flexibility. So what it is do is it will add the data from the Kaggle. Like we are adding the data in this demo, we are adding the data from the Kaggle, and we are renaming this data as some credit card data frame or credit card train data. And then if we want to visualize this data, right click it and visualizes it data. We have to right click it. After right clicking, there are lots of options providing in that. So we have to right click it and you can visualize the data. So when you are going to visualize the data, you can be able to see blocks plot, scatter plot, correlation graph, heat map, histogram, like that you can able to see. And if you want to download that graph also, you can again right click and you can download it, and you will find a JPG file in your desktop or laptop, whatever you are using. After that, after this EDA, what we are going to do is you want to predict the data. So you have to right click that data frame, and then you have to select the option called predict. So in that, it will directly go into the dashboard as you are seeing in the video. And then you can, after whatever the algorithm you want, you have to select that also, like GLM, that is gradient boost or deep learning, whatever based upon the problem, you have to select it. And if you do not have that knowledge of selecting that machine learning algorithm, it will itself recommend you which algorithm is best for this particular data. After that, your main dashboard will come. In that, accuracy, the machine learning model accuracy, ROC, accuracy score, accuracy graph, what is the ML algorithm that we are using, what are all the ML prediction score. You can, there will be a predictions also. For example, machine learning, for example, we are downloading from the previous data that we are giving as an input. So that input is different. So output is that we are going to get. So that also we can download it in your desktop, like download the prediction. There is an option called download the predictions, download the accuracy score, download ROC. There are lots of predictions. If you are going to see in the video, you are able to see lots of options. So if you are going to www.h2o.ai, if you are personally going to do hands-on, you will be able to know what I am saying. So take some data set. For example, take some Titanic data set, which I have given. I will give you in the description box. So download the data set and upload it in this h2o.ai. Then do the predictions, classifications algorithm. Then you will be able to know which passenger is survived or not, and everything will be there in the. Everything will be totally published in that main description box, like not the description box, sorry, the main dashboard. That is when we are going to click the predict button, there will be a big tab. No, that is the dashboard that you will be able to see differently. And apart from that, there are lots of options there. So you can download the accuracy curve, you can download the ROC curve, as well as you can download the predictions of the data set, and also you can download the prediction graphs of the data set. And you can also visualize it through the graphs. So there are lots of options. And if you want AutoML, that is another option called AutoML, h2o.ai AutoML, and Driverless AI. So in the next upcoming videos, you can all see all that about the Driverless AI, AutoML and all. So this is the basic outline what h2o.ai is doing, and this is the basic demo. So hope this demo is useful for you. So keep subscribing and keep supporting. Thank you. If you are seeing my videos for the first time, please like, share and subscribe to my Automation 2050 channel, and do not forget to click the bell icon so that you will receive all the updates related to that channel. So thank you so much.